What's going on YouTube? So we're just going to do a quick car wash today. This is my Toyota RAV4 older model. See my other video where I detailed it. Now this has been coated with Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine, the old formula. I guess there's a new formula out now, I haven't been able to find it. And maintained with Turtle Wax Ice products. So this is what we sealed it with. Seal and Shine. Oh, it's really dark. You can barely see anything. Let me just turn the camera this way. There we go. So it's been sealed with Ice Seal and Shine. Wash it with Ice Wash and Wax. Still got the price tag on it. Then I usually top it off with Ice Spray Wax. This is a really good topper. This is a good topper for anything really, especially the Seal and Shine. And then every now and then we'll touch it up with the Ice Spray Detailer. So I'm gonna time lapse it as we're washing. But let's do a quick walk around. Car doesn't look dirty, but it does have some dust on it. I'll set the camera down towards the front. Try to get a good angle. Let's adjust this a little bit. Alright, that should be good. So I'll go ahead and get this wash on, and we'll look at the outcome after. This isn't a car that I take great care of. This gets used for DoorDash, things like that. You can see my car over there. That one gets a lot better care taking care of it. So we're just going to do this one. I don't bother using a wheel bucket with this. I just use a brush and some cheap wheel cleaner when I go over it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that taken care of, and we'll fill up the buckets and do the rest. Alright, now for the next step, we are going to fill up our wash and rinse buckets. You don't got to fill them up all the way. I just think it's a waste of water if you do. So go ahead and fill them up. Now, I do have a pressure washer. I don't use the pressure washer that often. Really only if I'm washing clients' cars or my car is ceramic coated, but the Toyota, it's in okay condition and we're keeping it looking good, but I'm not gonna kill myself over trying to care for this thing because it's just gonna get used and used anyways. This thing's really nifty too, this little valve you can get. I got it off Amazon, about $10 or so. That should be good for the rinse bucket, and we'll fill up the wash bucket. And we'll get the Turtle Wax. The instructions say 1 ounce per gallon of formula into a bucket. So we're going to have about 3 gallons in here. So about 3 ounces. I'm just going to eyeball it. I mean, this stuff's not very expensive at all, so I'm not too worried about overusing it or whatever. And we'll just make it get all foamy. I got a kink in my hose somewhere. Hold on. That should do it. And then we will start washing. I'm going to use this wash mitt. Let this soak in there. Alright, now the front of this car is covered in bug guts. There's some on the mirror as well. So what I'm using is Purple Power diluted 5:1. You can use Super Clean, whatever your preferred all-purpose cleaner is. Basically, I just soak the front of the car with the cleaner, and I come back over it with the wash pad and get it clean. And that's it. Simple as that. Sorry about the loud sound, guys. There's a landscapers are cutting grass right now. But we're going to use this Works leaf blower. We're going to dry the car off. And then probably some tire shine will be good to go. So let's go ahead and get that taken care of. Alright, so now that the wash is done, we're going to go over it with some quick detailer, get rid of those water spots, and then it'll be just about done. I forgot to dry the front tire, but the sun will get it. No worries. Again, this isn't any kind of fancy or well taken care of vehicle. My wife will be, she's just happy that it's clean and it looks shiny. So let's go ahead and get the rest of this taken care of. Alright, so that is going to do it. That's how I do a normal car wash. You know, if you have a nicer car, ceramic coated, or needs a greater level of care, like that one, it's a different process. And I'll do a video on that one eventually. That one's coated with a G-Technic EXO, or excuse me, G-Technic Crystal Serum Light and a top layer of EXO. That one's gonna get the foam can in, the whole 9 yards, the works. Let's do a walk around. There's no tire shine on this. There's still some leftover Carb Pro Pearl, still a slight sheen to it, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I mean, you know, not bad. This car is already in rough condition. It's got stuff stuck in the paint. That wouldn't buff out. That'd have to be sanded out. It's got chips all over the hood. So I mean, you know, it's not perfect condition, but you know, it's good as a daily driver, utility, work vehicle. You know, make deliveries, do whatever you need to do. It's got some good trunk space, so we're happy with it. That's gonna be it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Help me, you know, help the YouTube algorithm show my videos more. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna be focusing more on car detailing. I might do some more vacuum videos in the future. There's not a whole lot of vacuums out there that I've been too interested in lately, other than the ones I have already. But I appreciate you watching, and until the next one, have a good day.